I'm hype. I'm super hype on this. Let's go! Boom, baby. Let's go. Yes! Aw, you guys are the best. You guys are the darndest. Right, all right. So, we are doing an official beater box unboxing here.
We are.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing an Instagram unboxing and going live on Instagram. It's kind of exciting. I'm also simultaneously filming for the videos that I normally make. So I got 2 extra camera angles going at the same time. You'll be able to get a recap on today's unboxing on sailboatsneakers.com as well as YouTube. What's good? Oh, I got so many people in here now. This is great. I'm hype. I'm super hype on this. First and foremost, shout out to our boys over at Backtrack SD for providing the sweet vintage tees here.
Woo!
I have, if I'm not mistaken, the 96 Winter Olympics figure skating squad.
I got, this cute little pineapple and just tells everyone to go hug a pineapple.
Although Lola did point out earlier that pineapples can indeed be kind of spiky, so...
Be careful.
Yeah, so watch out for if you're actually going to hug a pineapple. So this box right here, I have not revealed yet what the cost is because I want Lola to kind of guess as we're going along. And I have not told her this yet. I'm actually just introducing this to her right now, but we're going to be playing a drinking game as we open this box. The rules are to this drinking game, I made them up a couple minutes ago. If she can guess the cost of the sneakers that I'm opening in brand new StockX condition within the buy and sell window, I'll take a shot.
This is not fair.
This is totally fair, okay? Hear me out. For you to drink, if it's a Jordan 1 through 14,
oh, no.
You have to tell me the correct number.
We haven't practiced these in a long time.
That's how we're gonna play. I have my handy dandy StockX checker right here, aka an iPad. We are going to get the ball rolling by starting off with a dead stock pair of some shoes that I got some access to the other day. First pair here though, we got a pair of Yeezy 700 Boost Wave Runners, and these are in a size 12. So,
nice.
Pretty sweet pair. If you're at all like me, you really appreciate these guys quite a bit more. As far as the 700s are concerned, these are the first 700s that came out. I personally really like the color blocking on it. The materials are very, very nice and very varied throughout the sneaker. Pretty cool.
Pretty nice.
What do you think?
You're really gonna make me guess this one?
No, this is not a Jordan.
Oh, I know that you're gonna say the price.
No, oh yeah, well you gotta guess the price, but this is only to make me drink. So you suffer no consequence right now. It's only me that can have anything. Yeah.
$280.
$280, she says, on StockX.
We used to play this game a lot, and I used to be pretty good at it, but it's been about 6 months since we played this game, so I'm a little rusty. So
$280 is the price that Lola predicts. The buy it now price is $384. The sell it now price is $375.
That was kind of close. Not
narrow
really.
Window right there for you. Yeah, narrow window, but you did not succeed.
I did.
This box right here, Sole Supremacy Beater Box. And off the top of the box here, a couple of loose pairs of sneakers. This might actually fit you.
I know.
So sorry people, these might actually have a home already, so.
I've been looking for a new pair of boots.
And she liked these right off of the bat. Crazy lightly worn. These are easy 9 out of 10 condition. Gotta hold it a little closer than that.
I'm sorry.
There you go. Yeah, show the people what they want. But yeah, these might fit you.
They could. You have to try them on. Maybe.
Size 8 women's. Typically it's a size down conversion for women's and men's on Adidas. So these would technically be like a size 7.5. I suppose you could say women's. So you like your shoes a little smaller.
I do.
Yeah. Well, first pair out right there. Ultra Boost. Ultra Boost 3s in a burgundy colorway. Size 6.5. So let's check out, let's see, throw the, what's the code that I gotta throw there on StockX? 15, she says 115, that's her guess. Oh wow, look at that. Ultra Boost 3.0 burgundy.
Did I get it right?
I got the colorway right.
Nope.
Wow. Okay, see, this is where you get lucky though. So there's no sell it now price. So that's $0. So anywhere, as long as she gets it from 0, anywhere between the sell it now price, which is 150, that means that I got a drink. So that's a wide range right there. So that means your boy Sailboat is here for his first drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Enjoy. Got something right.
Next up, we have a pair of Ultra Boost in a kind of gradient white colorway. Also in a size 6.5. A little bit more color, a little bit more spice to those. Plus you got more clothes that you wear that are similar color. These are also easy 9 out of 10 condition. All white colorway with barely any wear. You can see that the Ultra Boost is still intact on the insole. Definitely a solid pair right there. Again, that is size 6.5.
So since the other 6.5 Ultra Boost top was 150, granted these are a totally different color, I'm gonna go 140.
Give me the code.
BB.
BB.
3928.
Ultra Boost 2.0 white reflective. The thing that you don't know about Ultra Boost that I do know about Ultra Boost is the 2.0s and the 1.0s go for more than the 3 and the 4.0s.
Oh yeah.
The lowest ask is $217. The highest bid is $100. So that 140 falls well within that range.
Guys, I might be getting him really drunk today.
Cheers. Because I need to have a little bit of fun now, I see that there is a Jordan pair.
This
So I'm
is
gonna pull
really
that.
bad.
We're gonna go next onto our Jordan pair and
Wish
see
me luck, guys, but it's the
what
one
we're
that I
at.
actually know.
These are a size 11 and these are a Jordan. Lola, what Jordan are these?
Hold on, I need a minute because I'm between two. It's a 6 or an 8. And I'm forgetting which one is which, so I'm going through them in my brain.
Well, you're gonna have to come up to a decision.
An 8.
Ah, she got it
My
right.
favorite number.
That means that
Put it all along.
she does not have to drink.
You know what? If do I still have to guess the price?
You still have to guess the
How
price.
about this? If I guess the price wrong on this one, I'll take the shot for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay. This is crazy good condition right
Otherwise,
here.
I'll be getting him drunk, and I mean that's not fair.
This looks like it might be tried on condition. So these are the South Beach 8s. These were a more recent release of Jordan 8s. If they were a size 12, they'd probably be sticking in the collection, quite honestly.
I like these.
2 extra pairs of laces, South Beach colors. My hands are gonna be like all over the video when I'm doing the actual editing later. It's gonna be pretty fun to go through and edit this shit. You have to guess the price still. So
$25.
$225 she's
Yep,
saying.
feeling
So
it in my gut.
the lowest current buy now price is $179.
No.
Sell it now at $158. That means that Lola is going to be taking a shot. Cheers. Prost.
Liquid death. Murdered my thirst.
This is spring water.
I know, I was hoping it would have a little something to it, but it's literally just water.
No, it's just water in a can. So we're just staying hydrated at the same time.
If
But
I had known that there was a drinking game tied to this, I might have,
there's a couple more Jordans.
No! Wait, no!
Unlabeled brown box. I don't know what this could potentially be. It is a pair of, what are these? This isn't at the risk of a drink.
No, I know. I'm trying to think because I know what it is.
Yeah, okay.
Foam posit.
Yeah, good job. It's like a pearly pink, kind of like a pearlescent color. Size 8.5 with a replacement box, probably because foam posit boxes are like notorious for just getting completely beaten up for whatever reason.
Isn't there a song Foam Posit by Big Zay?
Yeah, Big Zay Mac. Shout out Big Zay Mac. He's got a fire song, Foam Posits, that he just released a visual for recently. Check him out on his Instagram, Big Zay Mac Raps. He is the homie. I would highly, highly suggest that you take a look at his profile if you get the opportunity. Some of the music he's about to put out might have a couple of names you're familiar with. So take a listen for sure. Oh, me, I wasn't suggesting me. I was talking about like an actually really famous hip hop artist. Maybe I'll get on a track with Big Zay. Yo, Big Zay Mac, if you're watching this, you heard it here first. Let's go.
Mr. Boat, you're trying to get out of your shot.
Damn, I keep doing that.
So I have no idea what foam posits go for. personally am not a fan of them, I would price them low. Guys, if you want to give me some hints what these go for, I don't know.
Oh shit. Yo, some people could be on there helping you out. That's some BS. That'd be so funny. If you guys do that, it's totally okay. So she has to guess above the number. Oh shit, I just gave a huge hint. I'm shutting my mouth. Go.
What do you mean you just gave us a huge hint?
I gave you a huge hint.
Me?
Yeah, you weren't paying attention.
I
though.
wasn't.
Yeah.
Damn. 135.
No. 205.
Oh fuck! I know I saw a 3 and a 5, but I didn't.
I got away with it. Need a 2 shotgun if you're doing drinking games. Tyler, I got you, buddy. He's calling me out.
All right, let's do it.
He wants a shotty. I guess we're taking a break midway through the guessing games. T-Bit, for old time's sake, buddy. Here we go.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3 seconds. I'm done.
Boom, baby. Let's go. Should we do...
Go for it.
Got a pair of Jordans. More Jordans, yeah. Size 11.5, Jordan 5 Retro. Ooh.
Guys, he just said the number for me.
Fuck.
That should be a shot for him, right? Give a heart.
Give a heart if you want it. Yeah. Oh,
there
wow.
You go.
That was really unfortunate.
Oh, yes. I would have gotten them right.
That was super unfortunate.
I do know my 5s.
Well, okay. Jordan 5. These are the grapes. Size 11.5. And I would say these appear to be dead stock. I don't know. I think they're dead stock condition. Not 100% on that, but they look like it. They're really, really solid. And these are dating back to...
Pretty nice condition, absolutely.
Jesus. These are 2006s.
It means they're more expensive.
These are crazy good condition. Yeah, these are dead stock and not very yellowed. For 2006, that is really, really good right there. How much do you think these go for?
Okay. I'm going to put these up to be pricey because they're dead stock. They're an older pair, so they're probably more valuable. Okay. Even though I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Yep.
$290.
$290. She narrowly missed it actually. Buy it now price $269. Sell it now price $164. We got a Nike here. I'm gonna see if she can guess, not at the risk of a shot, but just for my pure entertainment.
I'm not gonna know these.
Probably not, but yeah, you should.
I should.
You should. You should know what kind of shoe this is, yeah. As far as the style, oh, look at that. The toe cap is crazy.
I honestly have no idea. They look like a bowling shoe.
This is a classic right here.
It's an N354, right?
Something like that.
Says it right on the shoe. That's why I'm guessing that.
That's not it, though.
I know. I don't know what they are.
Oh, come on. I'll give you a hint. There was a Nelly song. Nelly did a song where because he likes these sneakers a lot.
All I can think of when I think of Nelly right now is Down, Down, Baby.
To the super baby. Ready to let it go. Shimmy, shimmy, go, go, what?
So yeah, the shoe isn't going to come to me.
No, yeah. So these are Air Force Ones. What would you bargain that these would run you? $210. All right. These are Nike Air Force One type. Buy it now price $170. Sell it now price $124.
Ah, see, didn't I say my other guess would have actually been like $135?
Another pair of Jordans here, which I'm not going to say the number of this time.
Is it one that you think I'll get?
I do think you'll get this one.
These, oh, yeah, these are sixes.
These are what?
Did I get it wrong?
What'd you say?
6.
Oh, I didn't hear you. Yeah, no, you got it right.
I was like, oh my, I gotta question myself.
Oh man, I'm so excited about this. I've always seen these, but I've never had them before. Sorry, whoever buys these is not getting these. Look at those. Those keep your shoes super crispy, I think.
These are the infrareds.
Wow.
I love this colorway.
You're so good.
I really do.
Size 10.
You got a box
infrared
with some
6s.
Nice shoes with not a whole heck of a lot of wear.
I know. I can't wait to not have to clean these. They're all in such good condition. They're gonna take like 2 or 3 minutes for me to clean.
Doesn't that usually yellow right there? It's not even
Yeah, these are the newer pair though. I want to say,
okay.
What are these? 2014s? Yeah, 2014s.
All right, I see that guess over there. I see that 195, that 225. I'm gonna stick right in that range. I appreciate the love.
Oh, who's helping you right now?
I'm not gonna tell you.
All right, we got 195. Oh man, you guys are brutal. I love this though. This is great.
I'm gonna go right in the middle of that and go 210.
Okay, I think you guys would be surprised actually. The dead stock price on StockX, buy it now, $289. Sell it now for $240. All right, a pair of this is gonna be good for both of us.
Oh no, that means it's gonna be tough for me. He knows there's like the 2s, the 3s, I'm awful at.
I'm not showing you guys the box because then you're gonna help her out.
Well, they'll help me out when they see the shoe. Oh.
What are these?
I need to hold it.
What do you mean you gotta hold it? No,
I gotta hold it.
To know what the shoe is?
Yeah, I gotta feel it.
No.
Become one with the shoe. You let me hold every other shoe, guys. What is it?
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Look this way.
Oh god, I'm stuck between a few, but I'm gonna say 9.
Oh my gosh, you got it right.
I did!
It's Jordan 9. Damn.
I was stuck between a 9 and a 13, but isn't the 13 with like more like the saber-toothed tiger teeth?
Nah, that's 14.
That's 14.
Good. I see where you're coming from though. These are in really good condition. And I've actually had a pair of these before and they sold very well, so.
A little bit of yellowing. Guys, I sound like a professional.
She's a pro. Size 11. Jordan 9. City of Fly.
This camera's not getting any love.
Oh man, that
I'll love it. Don't worry.
It's that one. There's no close-ups that go on that camera anymore. Yo, show some love if you're subbed to the YouTube channel right now. There's 2 hearts, 3 hearts.
Hey, it's better than no
Let's
hearts.
go! Gosh. What is the cost of these ones right here?
$199.43.
Wow, that is oddly specific.
It's the last pair. I figured it might as well be. I'm gonna say regardless, we're taking a shot. So.
Oh, I just narrowly escaped. Buy it now for $195. Sell it for $140.
Darn.
Let's take these beverages. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you to everybody that was sticking around throughout the video, especially the people from start to finish.
Yeah.
Thank you if you just joined along for any point of the video, including the YouTube recap of this live unboxing. We're definitely going to do this a little bit more often because this was a lot of fun, and I think that this whole entire going live thing, especially since quarantine is happening, might be something that's a little bit more of a feasible option for us. So
maybe we'll throw in some games for the viewers to participate in.
At any rate, thank you guys so much for cruising through with us. This has been a really, really good time, and we'll definitely be doing more of this in the future. Lola, thank you.
Of course. Stay
Appreciate
well,
you.
stay healthy.
Check out the website, www.sailboatsneakers.com. You can also find me at YouTube, and it's actually youtube.com/sailboatsneakers. Easy way to find me and watch a little bit more. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to be closing it down now, and you'll be able to find the update on Sailboat Sneakers in the near future, so definitely stay tuned. Appreciate y'all checking in. This is Sailboat and Lola.
Check it out.
She got it. Good job. Didn't even have to teach her that one.